Hey guys, it's Miss BOP. I figured it would be funny that Adam's not home and I could do a Miss BOP video takeover. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. I have a few things I figured I'd open while Adam wasn't here. I went into his stack and said, these look good. So, I have a Funko box that, as y'all know, every time we open boxes, they're always mystery boxes to me because I do not know what he orders. And then I also have a Birds of Prey and the fantabulous emancipation of the one Harley Quinn. I have 12 of the mini boxes and we're going to open those. So let's start with our first box, and it's from Funko, and let's see what is in here. As always, I usually have no clue what he orders or what's in the stacks out there, but I figured this was a Funko box. It had to be something pretty cool. So let's see what this is. Let's do it mystery box style since I do not know what they are. Do not look at the box because they always have something written on them. Here, let's see. How do you open this box? Oh, haha. Okay, I'm not reading anything on here. There we go. Oh my gosh. I just saw a glimpse of it. Do you see who it is? It's Charlie the Tuna. Oh, look at that. And if y'all haven't seen, I think one of the first videos I did with Mr. BOP, I actually have a shirt of Charlie the Tuna. Sorry, Charlie. That is pretty cool. That's a really cool pop. Let's see if I can figure out how to get this open all the way. I don't want to hurt it. And then we'll actually peek at it. Let's see. We'll take him out of the box. So, here is Charlie the Tuna. He's pretty cool. Ooh, he has some weight to him. He's top heavy. Here in a second, we're going to actually see if he can stand up. But he is pretty cool. And here, we're going to grab the box again. Put it flat. Let's see if he can stand up. He is pretty top heavy. He can. He's pretty cool with his glasses and his little red hat. Very cool. I wonder what Adam will say, knowing that I opened this. Okay. Let's put him back in his box. Slide you back in. Close the top. There we go. Our Charlie the Tuna. Okay. The next thing I had over here to open was the Birds of Prey and then fantabulous emancipation of the one Harley Quinn. We have a whole case of the mini figure boxes. And if y'all haven't seen me on some of his lives, I actually enjoy opening the little minis. Let's see what we can get. Oh, and I did want to point out, these are, oh here, I'm going to open, the first one I'm going to open is this bottom top left. And then, I wanted to show y'all this box. So it has a picture of a few of the figures. And then on the back, it has all the different figures that we're going for. And I did want to let y'all know these are GameStop exclusive. On here, if you didn't notice, there's a flocked hyena, which is special. And then also there's the exclusive 1 out of 12 Roman. So that's pretty cool. So let's get to opening our first box and we'll get to see which one it is out of the ones on the back. So the first one is, oh, that flung some of it over there. Our first one is, this is Harley Quinn roller derby. That's pretty cool. She has her little skates on. That's pretty cool. So now we have the roller derby Harley Quinn. I'm going to set her over here. We'll throw this stuff away. Try to get it to stand up on the table. This doesn't stand up very... Oh, there we go. I finally got it to balance on the skates. Okay, now here. I'll show you where I am grabbing, and we are going to go to this middle top right. Oh. Let's see. There's no break in the plastic for me to actually grab. There we go. Let's see who this is. Go ahead and throw that in the garbage. We don't want to make a mess because remember, he doesn't know we're here. So let's see. Stab it a little bit. Yeah, these some of them seem to have quite a bit of air in them, so they actually pop if I do them too harsh. Our second one is, this is the Harley Quinn Incognito? Or no, this is the Black Canary. Yes, that is the Black Canary, sorry. That's pretty cool. She has a baseball bat. That one's pretty cool. So now we have pulled 2 different ones. Now I am going to pull, oh, that one slid. So at least we know this is the bottom one, this is the top one. Let's go ahead and pull this top one. Okay. Let's see. Oh, let's go back and do this Harley Quinn, the roller derby one is a 1 out of 6. Oh, I'll just set her down. And then this Black Canary is a 1 out of 6. Which is funny, if you look at the top of the box, it's the first 2 that are on the box. So now we're going to open up our third. Go ahead and throw that in the garbage. And then we have our third one. This one doesn't have as much air in it. Our next one is, bam! Which one's this? I'm not sure which one this one is. I can't remember. Huh. I don't think it's Incognito. But how about y'all tell me below which one this is? Because I am not sure. But that one's pretty cool. She's got her bow. But yeah, that one's pretty cool. And then let's open the next one. Throw that stuff away. Oh, by the way, this was the one from over here on the the left side. Just so y'all know. The next one is, oh, it feels like there was air coming out of this side. Yep, a little bit open, so we're just going to pull it open. This one is, oh, it's another roller derby. That's pretty cool. Well, you know, once Adam sees that I open these, you'll be able to hit him up for any of these doubles. So now we have 2 roller derbies, which are the 1 out of 6, I believe we had said. And then we have the Black Canary, which is the 1 out of 6. And then we got one of the ones, whichever this one is with the bow and arrow, and she is a 1 of 6 as well. So I wish we'd hit some good ones in here. We're going to go ahead and throw that garbage away. Oh, this was the last one on the left-hand side. I figured let's go ahead and finish that row. And then we'll grab the other one, and then we'll go down to the bottom ones. Go ahead and get this, just so I can get a hole. This one is like pretty thickly done. There we go. Got it out. These boxes are really cool. I like how they're, see, it says only at GameStop. I just like the colors of it. They're really pretty. I like the pink and the blues. Okay. Then we have, let's see. Now we have this one. Go ahead and give it a hole. You can reach in. I don't feel a flocked one. But we have, oh, here is another Black Canary with the baseball bat. So now we have, and she's 1 of 6, remember. So now we have 2 Black Canaries, 2 Harley Quinn roller derbies, and 1 with a bow and arrow. So now we are going to do the last one from the top, and I think it was the right bottom. So then I'm trying to keep this over here so y'all can at least see it as I'm doing it. And then we still have the whole bottom row to get done. So our next one is, bam, 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 bam. Next one is, oof. It is another bow and arrow. Look at that. We have doubles of all 3 that we've already gotten. Now we are going to start on the bottom row. We are going to start with this bottom right. Pull it out. And then we got this and this. Go ahead and open it. I don't feel anything flocked. So 1, 2, 3, bam. This is Harley Quinn. That's pretty cool. I believe this is Harley Quinn caution tape. I really want to say that's what this one is. Pretty cool. I guess the only thing I'd call caution tape is her arms, maybe? Who knows? But at least now we have a 4th different one. Throw that away. So now we are just going to work our way up this side. And we'll go ahead and pick this middle bottom right. And then now, pop the box open. And we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, cut it open. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, bam. Oh, it's the beaver. It's the princess beaver. That's pretty cool. Here, I'm going to try to balance it on my hand and put my hand behind it. That's pretty cool. Ah, I guess it has one missing eyeball, one eyeball popping out. That's pretty cool. See the detail on the tail. It has all the little lines in it. Pretty cool, guys. It's the beaver. Okay. Now, since we forgot to look at what the caution tape Harley Quinn, I'm going to go ahead and take this top one out. We didn't look at the Harley Quinn caution tape and the beaver on their numberage. So let's look at that. We have the caution tape, which is 1 out of 6. And then the beaver is actually a 1 out of 36, which makes him more rare, which is pretty cool. I really want that flocked hyena. I thought that would be pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open this one. We got a whole thing of them, so let's hope. Let's open the box. Now we gotta open the bag. 1, 2, 3, bam. I believe this is Roman. I believe. That's pretty cool. You can see he's pretty interesting looking. Yeah, I believe. Here, let's look at the box and see what he is. He is the exclusive. Yes, that is Roman. He is the 1 out of 12. That's pretty cool. Here, I'll actually stand him up on here. Ooh, that's a better showing off of the pop, huh? He's pretty cool. Oh, he fell. That is pretty cool. So this is the exclusive for GameStop and for these mystery minis. That's really cool. So now, I think we have 3 left, which let's still hope we could get a flocked one in here. So I am going to take the bottom left. Go ahead and take it out. And then we have the bag. And I can cut it right here. 1, 2, 3. I open it up. And it is another caution tape. Harley Quinn caution tape. So now we have 2 of those. We have 2 Harley Quinn roller skaters. Let's just do a review. We have 2 Harley Quinn roller derbies. We have 2 Harley Quinn caution tapes. We have 1 exclusive Roman. We have 2 black canaries. We have 2 of the ones shooting the bow and arrow. And then we have 1 of the beavers. So the next one we'll take is this middle left. We'll go ahead, take the wrapping off of it. Throw away the box. This one has air in it like a few of the other ones have. Let's see which one this is. It is, bam! Oh, this is the Harley Quinn Broken Hearted. That one's pretty cool. If you can't see, it says rotten across her cheek. And then she has hearts on her onesie she's actually wearing, if you can see that. But that's pretty cool. That is now yet another one. And let's look at the back of the box. And this is a 1 out of 24. Here, let's go ahead and set her up here, because remember we did notice that was pretty cool. I don't want to move it too much because I don't want her to fall. That's pretty cool, guys. Oh, and then see, here, I'll set her down and you can see her back. It has hearts all down it. Let's open our last box in here, which was the very top left. And then here's the rest of that box. It's pretty cool. We'll go ahead and slice this. Just so I can get it open. And since this is our last box, I hope it is the hyena. That would be pretty cool. I'd really like to pick both of them out. But I believe since I've already pulled that exclusive, I probably won't have the flocked in here. But let's go ahead and open this up. And let's see what we got. The very last box, which was the bottom row, left side, all the way in the back, is, let's see, 1, 2, no! Really? I can't believe it. What? No. You gotta be kidding me. OMG. I thought there would be no way, since I've already pulled out the exclusive, that I would be able to pull this one out of this set of 12. I can't believe it. Guess what, guys? We have the flocked hyena. Bam! Here, I'm going to go ahead here. I'll grab one of the boxes. We seem to figure this one out. That it's very easy to balance them on the box. Put our hand behind it. And it's a whole lot easier to show it off. And then I'm not cutting his feet off. Pretty cool.
Hey, what are you doing in here?
Oh no.
What's going on? What you doing? What, are you recording something?
Yes.
Hey, what's up, everybody? How's it going? What you doing? Oh,
opening the Birds of Prey minis.
I say you found my Birds of Prey mystery minis.
But
there.
look, I got the exclusive.
Yeah.
Which is Roman.
Nice.
And then what was he? He was the 1 out of 12 exclusive GameStop mini.
So that would mean you're guaranteed one.
See?
But I see you got the 1 out of 36 Beaver.
Yes.
That's a good one.
I got a lot of doubles that I've already let them know that once you found out, you'd probably have them where they could receive them somehow.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure who this was. Yeah, that was the only one that I wasn't sure about.
Maybe Cassandra or something.
Maybe.
All right.
Maybe.
You almost done?
Yes, I was actually about to close out the video. So, everybody, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all the likes, comments, and subscribing. And this was fun, doing the Miss BOP takeover. Let me know how you liked it below. So, as we say, Miss BOP, out.